Hey there, fellow Americans. Breaking news that's going to change lives across the nation. Congress has just made a historic move that's got everyone talking. Imagine waking up tomorrow to find an extra $4,200 in your bank account, plus a monthly boost of $2,500 for our seniors. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm about to break down everything you need to know about this game-changing stimulus package. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on crucial updates that could put more money in your pocket. Let's break down the eligibility criteria that everyone's asking about. Unlike previous stimulus payments, this new package has been carefully crafted to reach more Americans than ever before. Single filers earning up to $75,000 annually and joint filers making up to $150,000 will receive the full $4,200 payment. But what if you earn more than that? Don't worry, there's a gradual phase-out system in place, meaning you might still qualify for a partial payment if your income falls within the extended brackets. Have you been wondering if dependents are included this time? The answer is yes. Each qualifying dependent will add an extra $1,000 to your stimulus payment. Now, let's talk about what's really getting people excited: the $2,500 monthly boost for seniors. This is perhaps the most significant support for older Americans we've seen in decades. But why did Congress decide to focus on seniors? The answer lies in the devastating impact of inflation on fixed incomes. Social Security benefits, while essential, haven't kept pace with the skyrocketing costs of healthcare, groceries, and housing. This monthly boost aims to bridge that gap, ensuring our seniors can maintain their dignity and quality of life without choosing between medicine and meals. You might be wondering about the timeline for these payments. According to Treasury Department officials, the rollout will begin within the next 3 weeks. The first wave of deposits will target those who have their direct deposit information already on file with the IRS from previous tax returns or stimulus payments. But what if you haven't filed taxes recently or the IRS doesn't have your banking information? Don't panic, there's a simple solution. The IRS is launching an updated portal where you can submit your information securely and ensure you don't miss out on these crucial payments. But here's something many people aren't talking about: the hidden benefits of this stimulus package. Beyond the direct payments, the legislation includes provisions for expanded healthcare coverage, housing assistance, and educational support. These additional measures could potentially save families thousands more in annual expenses. Have you considered how these supplementary benefits might affect your household budget? The impact could be even more significant than the direct payments themselves. The Senior Boost program has some unique features that haven't been widely reported. For instance, did you know that the $2,500 monthly payments will be adjusted annually for inflation? This means seniors won't have to worry about their benefits losing value over time. Additionally, these payments won't affect eligibility for other assistance programs like Medicare or Medicaid. But here's a crucial detail: seniors will need to verify their eligibility annually through a streamlined process to continue receiving payments. Many viewers have been asking about the impact on the economy. Economic experts project that this stimulus package could inject over $800 billion into the American economy over the next year. But what does this mean for inflation? Surprisingly, economists believe the targeted nature of these payments, combined with other monetary policy measures, will help stimulate growth without significantly driving up inflation. Have you noticed how previous stimulus payments affected your local economy? This round is expected to have an even more positive impact on small businesses and community development. One of the most frequently asked questions is about taxation. Will these payments be considered taxable income? The good news is that both the $4,200 stimulus payment and the $2,500 monthly senior boost are classified as tax-free government benefits. This means you won't need to report them as income on your tax returns, and they won't push you into a higher tax bracket. However, it's always wise to consult with a tax professional about your specific situation. The application process has been streamlined to ensure maximum accessibility. For most Americans, no action will be required. The payments will be automatically processed based on your most recent tax return. But what if your circumstances have changed? The IRS will provide multiple channels for updating your information, including an enhanced online portal, telephone support, and in-person assistance at local tax centers. Have you checked if your information is current with the IRS? Now would be the perfect time to verify and update your details. Security measures have been significantly enhanced for this round of payments. The IRS has implemented advanced fraud prevention systems to protect against scams and identity theft. But how can you protect yourself? Remember, the IRS will never call, email, or text you asking for personal information. All official communication will come through postal mail, and legitimate updates will be posted on the official IRS website. If someone contacts you claiming to be able to expedite your payment for a fee, that's a red flag for fraud. The impact on different generations has been carefully considered in this package. While seniors receive the monthly boost, families with children can expect additional support through expanded child tax credits and educational assistance. But what about young adults and recent graduates? The package includes provisions for student loan relief and job training programs, ensuring no generation is left behind in the economic recovery. Looking ahead, many are asking about the long-term implications of this stimulus package. How will it affect future government spending and social programs? The legislation includes funding mechanisms through corporate tax adjustments and closure of tax loopholes, ensuring these benefits can be sustained without adding to the national deficit. Have you considered how this might change the landscape of government assistance programs in the future? As we wrap up this crucial information, let's remember that staying informed is key to maximizing these benefits. These payments represent more than just financial assistance, they're an investment in American families and our economic recovery. The success of this program depends on eligible recipients claiming their benefits and using them to strengthen their financial position. Have you started planning how you'll use these funds to improve your financial situation? Remember to share this information with friends and family who might qualify for these benefits. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it could mean thousands of dollars in much-needed assistance for your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for ongoing updates about these payments, implementation timelines, and any changes to the program. We'll be covering every aspect of this historic stimulus package, ensuring you have all the information you need to secure your benefits. Finally, if you have specific questions about your eligibility or the payment process, we encourage you to use the official resources we've mentioned. Keep an eye on your bank account and mail for updates from the IRS, and stay tuned to our channel for the latest developments. Together, we'll navigate this unprecedented support program and ensure every eligible American receives the assistance they deserve. Have you already started seeing positive changes in your community from previous stimulus measures? This new package promises to build on those successes and create even more opportunities for American families to thrive. Remember, this information is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial. Hit that subscribe button now, turn on notifications, and join our community of informed citizens working together to make the most of these historic benefits. Your financial future could depend on the actions you take today. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in our next video.